Hello, everybody. Let's try some problems about Pythagorean theorem. Remember, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So let's try this problem right here. Josh is admiring a statue of Georgetown Park. The statue is 15 feet taller than he is. And Josh is standing 20 feet away. How far is it from the top of the statue to Josh's head? Okay, so we need to translate these two many words into basically a triangle. So to figure out maybe the missing side or the perimeter, depending on the direction, what the direction asking us to find. Okay, so he's admiring a statue. The statue is 15 feet taller than he is. Okay, so let's see if, let's try this one. If he's standing right here, that's his head, for example, all right, and it's 15, so let's try to make a maybe like 15, we need to label it. We need to find the label in a minute, the unit. All right. So if that's his head right here, and it is 15, okay, then his head. And then let's see what was happening in here. So Josh is admiring a statue of Georgetown Park. The statue is 15 feet. So we need to label it. It is 15 feet taller than he is. And Josh is standing 20 feet away. So actually he is right here. He is 20 feet away from the statue. How far is it from the top of the statue to his head? Okay, so let's go right here, and so that's his head right here. So how far is the top of the statue to his head? So this time they are asking about the hypotenuse. Okay, and we know it is a right triangle. We call this a leg, this a leg, and this is the hypotenuse. And we know that c squared equals a squared plus b squared. How do we find the c? C is the opposite to the right angle. It's the longest side in the right triangle, and it is the hypotenuse. So that is c squared. A or B is like you can put it either or. So that is 20 squared plus 15 squared. Can you say 15 squared plus 20 squared? Yes, you can do that. Okay. So 20 squared is 400 plus 15 squared is 225, 625. So C is actually c squared is 625. When you take the square root of that, so you get c equals 25. So 15, 20, and 25. That's the longest. We have to label it. That's feet. So that is the longest side opposite to the right angle. So it has to be 25. And let's put it right there. 25 feet. Great job. Okay, so please keep practicing, and I will talk to you soon.